Hey everybody, my name is Corrado Arangio, and in this video, we're going to talk about my Tesla and my NIO stock price prediction. For those of you that are new to my channel, I'm a real estate broker here in Toronto, Canada. I've been investing in stocks now for about a year, so I'm not an expert or a financial advisor. I only make these videos for fun, so please don't take my advice. I make them literally late at night when I have some extra free time on my hands. So before we get into the video, I want to ask you a question, and I want you to answer them in the comment section below. How much do you think a share of Tesla and NIO will be worth in the end of 2022? I want to know your answer. Please leave your answer in the comment section below. All right, so let's start off with Tesla. I think that Tesla stock price is down right now because of Elon Musk's interview with Axel Springer's CEO, Matthias Döpfner. I'm going to show you a clip of the interview when Elon says that his stock price is too high.
By then, Tesla's market cap was 23 billion. Today it's 536 billion US dollars. The market cap of VW then was 86, and today it's 77. And you are with Tesla 2.5 times bigger than BMW, VW, and Daimler.
I even said the stock is too high. I mean, what am I supposed to do?
Have you ever considered to buy?
The stock is too high a long time, like when it was like at $800 pre-split. And they don't listen to me, but I tell you, and the SEC complained again. I mean,
If the CEO of a company says that their company is overvalued, obviously the stock price is going to go down. So with that interview that we went over, combined with the email that Elon sent out the same day to all his staff, telling them that they need to control spending in order to keep squeaking quarterly profits, no wonder the stock price is down. Here's the full email from Musk that was shared with the employees. All right, so this is really funny. The subject was, "Costs are extremely important," with an exclamation mark. At a time like this, when our stock is reaching new heights, it may seem as though spending carefully is not as important. This is definitely not true. When looking at our actual profitability, it is very low, around 1% for the past year. Investors are giving us a lot of credit for future profitability, but if at any point they conclude that's not going to happen, our stock will immediately get crushed like a souffle under a sledgehammer. Much more important, in order to make our cars affordable, we have to get smarter about how we spend money. This is a tough game of pennies, requiring thousands of good ideas to improve part costs, a factory process, or simplify the design while increasing quality and capabilities. A great idea would be one that saves $5, but the vast majority are 50 cents here or 20 cents there. In order to make the electric revolution happen, we must make electric cars, stationary batteries, and solar affordable to all. Thanks, and great working with you as always. Elon. So now could be a good buying opportunity for Tesla, since we're approximately $50 down from the all-time high, and it looks like it's going to continue to go up if we don't have any bad or bearish news. Morgan Stanley just released today its annual list of secular growth stocks, and I think this is going to give Tesla a nice little boost. All right, so now let's go over NIO. NIO closed today at $47.98. I never would have thought that the stock would have came back down to the high 30s. I had a busy day today, or I think I would have ended up buying some more NIO shares. But I have already a lot of my money invested in NIO and Tesla. I have a lot more of my money invested in Tesla, so I think I'd have to sell some of my Tesla shares in order to buy NIO shares. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. If Tesla's up and NIO's down, I may sell some of my Tesla shares and buy some more NIO. But NIO, it would have to make sense, because if it doesn't make sense, I'm just going to keep my Tesla shares. I personally think that NIO is going to continue to correct until NIO Day, which is, I believe, January 9th, 2021. What makes me feel really good about NIO is that Goldman Sachs analysts said that in hindsight, they underestimated what kind of benefits they can get from this battery swap idea. The analysts led by Fei Fang upgraded NIO by 5.77% to the equivalent of hold from sell, saying in a note Tuesday that when they tacked on their sell rating in July, they did so on valuation. They believed that the share price at the time reflected over-optimism, given no substantial changes to volume profit expectations. What's changed? Mostly NIO unveiled its battery as a service program, expanding its market. Most households in China lack conditions to install private chargers, especially outside of the main cities, Goldman said. The analysts also upped their 12-month target price on NIO's American depository receipts to $59 from $7.70. The Goldman analyst said NIO launched its battery as a service program in August. Service users purchase a NIO car without the battery, making it more price competitive against existing powertrains, while also providing the flexibility to change battery capacity depending on their needs. Existing public charging stalls can be really busy, but within 10 minutes, a NIO car owner could replace a depleted battery with a fully charged one. It could take up to 2.5 hours for a fast charge, so this is a brilliant idea. In addition, battery as a service also represents a systematic solution to the long existing challenges for EV penetration, including battery degradation, battery upgradability, and lower resale value, they said. My prediction for Tesla is that if the markets are in our favor and we don't have any bad news, it can go back to the low 600s, if not mid 600s. I think we would have been there already if it wasn't for Elon's interview and email. But if there's any bearish news, for sure it's gonna drop to the low 500s, if not high 400s. For NIO, I think it's gonna go back to the 55 mark, then drop again to the 44 and even high 30s, and do that back and forth until maybe 2 weeks before NIO Day, where I see it going to like the high 50s, even low 60s. So I'm personally invested in NIO and Tesla because I feel really good about it and I'm in it for the long run. And at the price point that NIO's at now, it makes me want to buy a lot more shares, but I'm planning on hopefully selling a little bit of Tesla if Tesla goes up in the next few days, and if NIO's still at these low prices, I'm probably going to sell some of the Tesla shares and buy some more NIO. So if you guys like this video, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, share the videos with some of your friends. That would mean the world to me, and thank you for watching. Adios. Hey guys, it's Corrado. If you want to watch more videos, just click over here. If you want to subscribe, which that would make me really happy, just click over here. Have you subscribed yet? I need an espresso.